नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाउज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Respected listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I found a chance to speak before you on the topic unemployment. When people are jobless, they are said to be unemployed. The problem of unemployment is worldwide and very common. Food and shelter are the main basic needs. If we look at the developed countries, then it would be clear that they have overcome its problems to a large extent. But in Asian countries, unemployment is at its peak till this time. The main cause of unemployment is rapid growth in population and lack of resources according to the population. Our population is increasing rapidly for many years. A wise man stated that the great thing in this world is not so much where we are, but in what direction we are moving. Birth rate in our country is very high, and the resources are not enough to fulfill the requirements of such a large population. People are in search of jobs, but jobs are limited, so it breeds unemployment. Secondly, our education system is not suitable or according to our needs. Our young men feel hesitate in manual work. They hate manual labor and spend their youth in daydreaming of getting desired jobs. Unfortunately, then they would fail to get a peculiar type of a job. It creates unemployment. Thirdly, our country is not much advanced in the industrial field. We are unable to take advantage of our young skilled persons. We cannot absorb them in factories or industries. Thus, unemployment breeds frustration, discontentment, sin, corruption, and poverty in society. It usually results in cause and disorders in society. Now, the question is how we can overcome this problem. For this purpose, Government of Pakistan should give vocational training to young generation to assist them in getting jobs according to their taste and ability. We should establish more factories and industries. There is need to provide an opportunity to young talent. Moreover, the country should be industrialized so that it may be able to provide new channels of employment to its inhabitants. In agriculture, such education systems should be implemented that may make our young men conscious and may give them awareness of the importance of manual work. Population should be controlled. We should have to do a lot of struggle so that we can be able to get rid of these problems. Thank you.